Hello guys, welcome to Prevailing Media. Today I'll be teaching how to create a typographic text effect using your Pixellab. So first of all, you open your Pixellab. After doing that, you get something like this. So then click on this menu icon over here. Then click on image size. And after that, you see custom. Then click on this triangle. Then you see YouTube thumbnail or YouTube channel banner. You can choose any of them. So I'll be using channel banner. Then delete this new text here. So after doing that, click on from gallery. Then click on plug then from gallery. Sorry. After doing that, you see this background. Then pick it. So the download link will be available. So don't worry, in the description. So after that, click this thing, then increase the size, the relative size like this. Then after that, you get something like this. Then after doing that, click on plus, then click on text, then double tap on the new text. Then I will be writing go. You can write go. Can you see? So after writing go, just click on this AI icon here. Then you see font. So click on my font. I will click on my font. Then you see this. I will be using this more guides fonts. So the download link will be available in the description. So you click on this more guide extra bold. Can you see? Click on this extra bold. Then after that, go to size. Then increase the size. Increase the size a little bit. So after doing that, just go to color. You can choose any color of your choice. So let me just choose let me choose this color. So after choosing any color of your choice, click on plus again, then click on from gallery. Then click on this image here. Then decrease it a little bit. Can you see? So you get something like this. Can you see? So after doing that, just merge just lock it. After locking it, just click on this layer icon here. Then merge both this and this together. Can you see? Just click on this thing downstairs. Then merge both. So after merging it, go to erase color. Then remove, then enable it. After enabling, just click on this color picker. Can you see here? Then click on this blue icon. Then you get something like this. Then increase the tolerance to 15. So after doing that, just merge, just lock it. Then move this. Then you leave it like this. After that, just make sure you merge. Then after that, click on this layer. Then click on this image. Can you see this footballer? Then go to mask. Then after clicking on mask, the mask will be in various way. Then make sure you move it like this. Can you see? And after moving it like this, then click on, just make it like this. Can you see? So after doing that, click on plus, then copy the text, this image, then move it to the middle, just like the other one. Can you see? They are both in the middle, just like the other one. Make sure they are both in the middle. So after doing that, so this first one, then go to mask again. Then click on out. So you get something like this. So after that, click on the first one again. Then click on mask again. So after clicking on, just move like this. So you do something like this, then mark it. So after that, just copy this thing again, copy the first one again, then go to relative position, then move it to the middle. So after moving it to the middle, you go to mask again, then click on out. So after doing that, you get something like this again. No, sorry, I did a mistake. You click on out, cancel this one. So the first one here, make sure you move it to the back, then move this one, then move this one to the up. Can you see? You get something like this. So this is the image you want to get. Can you see? So after doing that, click on plus, then click on from gallery, then you see this fire icon here, then make sure and decrease it, reduce the size, then go to erase color, then click on color picker, then click on this black, then increase the tolerance. After increasing the size, then click on put like this. So after clicking it like this, move it to the back. Can you see? So you get something like this. So after getting something like this, you now go click on this place, then go to color, then you choose on gradient, then click on color, then click on this plus icon here, then choose this one. So after choosing it, choose this color to be red. Then this one up here, just click on there and choose yellow. Yeah. So this is what you got. So to make the job more neat, you can just click on this background, this go icon here, then go to click on here, then go to texture, then click on plus, then choose this one again. Can you see? So this will not work, then click on undo, then you see, get something like this. So your work is done now. You can now use it anytime you want. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you have any any question, you can just drop your comments. Thank you very much.